first of my, call them pregnancy interior details. We're working on a Ford Fusion hybrid, and as you can see, this thing is pretty dirty. So I'm going to be doing a full interior on here, and then just a wash and on the outside. I think this is a company vehicle, and then she's getting actually something else later in March, she was saying, but oh my. Ford gets the award for some of the easiest carpet to get dog hair out of, because I got it all out. So good job, Ford. Alrighty guys, the Ford Fusion is all done. Definitely need to be cleaned up really good. Outside was pretty dirty, so You guys remember all the dog hair? It's all gone. Came up real good. I'm pretty happy with it. I just gotta go show the owner, make sure she's happy with it, because that's the most important part. But I think it looks really good. This interior, I was just talking to another detail on Instagram. Ford seems to have much higher quality carpeting than most brands, so the dog hair came up real easy. Not like in the VWs or the Mazdas where that stuff like grabs and holds, and if you don't have compressed air or something, it's not fun. I've done them. You can do them without them, but you're gonna have it much quicker with some nicer stuff. So, oh yeah.